spotted salamander, also known as the yellow-spotted salamander, is a large amphibian found in eastern North America.
Tonight is the first rain, and yeah, I've only spotted 2 in my entire life, so hopefully we'll find one tonight. Leopard frog, go, go, go. Alright, so they're definitely out. No way. No way. Fucking, oh, no way. Right past the frog. Hey, beautiful. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Look, there's another one. That's about the same size. There's another one. But the one I just saw was huge.